How do you train operators to handle a scissor lift safely? At Spatio, we developed a controller-enabled scissor lift VR training simulator that allows trainees to operate a real scissor lift controller while moving a virtual machine inside an immersive environment. This integration bridges the gap between simulation and real-world operations, the experience. The session begins with controller familiarization, where operators learn to use the real controller inside the virtual environment, holding the analog stick and understanding the core operations. Operators learn the pre-operational checks just as they would on site, ensuring the equipment is safe to operate before starting. Inside the immersive environment, trainees use the real controller to complete guided scissor lift operations, positioning the platform, driving and steering through tight spaces, managing speed, and maintaining safe clearance around obstacles. The simulator uses physics-based movement that reflects real lift response, helping operators build smooth control, spatial awareness, and confidence without live risk. In the evaluation module, guidance is removed. Operators must independently navigate designated checkpoints, position the lift accurately, and complete tasks without collision or instability to pass. All performance data flows into Spatio's LMS dashboard, giving supervisors clear visibility into operator proficiency, readiness for deployment, and areas requiring reinforcement. The impact was measurable. Operator confidence increased 3x, operating errors dropped by 65%. Training became 100% safe and repeatable, with 0% equipment damage. Train smarter. Train safer. Operate with confidence. Book your demo with Spatio today.